Rebel Wilson's senior year was a time of incredible transformation. It was a period marked by significant changes, not just physically but mentally and emotionally as well. Rebel decided to take charge of her life in a way she had never done before. She embarked on a powerful journey of self-improvement. This journey was not just about losing weight, it was about gaining a new perspective on life. She started incorporating regular exercise into her routine, finding joy in activities like jogging in the park and lifting weights at the gym. Her goal was to improve her health and well-being. She began to focus on eating nutritious foods, opting for healthy salads and balanced meals. Meditation also became a key part of her routine, helping her to maintain a serene and focused mind. The results were truly inspiring. As the months went by, Rebel started to see and feel the changes. She celebrated each milestone, whether it was a new personal best at the gym or simply feeling more energetic and happy in her daily life. She lost over 70 pounds in less than a year. This remarkable achievement was a testament to her hard work and dedication. The before and after photos were striking, showing a woman who had not only transformed her body but also her spirit. Rebel's journey is a testament to the power of dedication, perseverance and self-love. She proved that, with the right mindset and a commitment to oneself, incredible changes are possible. Her story is a powerful reminder that we all have the ability to achieve our goals. Rebel's decision to prioritize her health wasn't about conforming to Hollywood standards. It was a deeply personal choice, driven by a desire to feel better and live a healthier life. She wanted to be the best version of herself, not for anyone else, but for her own well-being. It was about taking control of her life. She made conscious decisions every day to choose health and happiness. This meant saying no to unhealthy habits and yes to a lifestyle that supported her goals. She wanted to feel her best, both physically and mentally. Yoga and other forms of exercise became her tools for achieving a balanced and fulfilling life. The smile on her face after each workout was a reflection of her inner joy and satisfaction. This meant adopting a holistic approach that encompassed fitness, nutrition, and emotional well-being. She meticulously planned her meals, ensuring they were balanced and nutritious. She also diversified her workouts to keep things interesting and challenging. Journaling became a way for her to track her progress and stay motivated. This wasn't a quick fix or a fad diet. Rebel understood that true transformation takes time and effort. She rejected the idea of temporary solutions and instead focused on making lasting changes that would benefit her in the long run. It was about making sustainable changes that she could maintain for the long haul. She learned to enjoy the process of shopping for healthy groceries and cooking nutritious meals. These new habits became a natural part of her daily routine. Rebel's story is a beacon of hope for anyone who has ever felt stuck in a rut or doubted their ability to change. She openly shared her journey, inspiring countless others to believe in themselves and take action towards their own goals. It's a reminder that transformation is possible at any age. Whether you're young or old, it's never too late to start making positive changes. Rebel's journey shows that with determination and the right mindset, anything is possible. You just have to take that first step and commit to the journey. The path to transformation begins with a single decision to change, followed by consistent effort and a belief in oneself. Rebel Wilson's story is a powerful testament to the incredible things that can happen when you decide to take control of your life. Movement became Rebel's mantra. She discovered that staying active was not just about physical fitness, but also about mental well-being. The more she moved, the more alive she felt. She committed to working out 6 hours a week, dedicating herself to a routine that balanced both strength and endurance. This commitment was a testament to her determination and resilience. This consistent effort was key to her transformation. Over time, she saw significant changes in her body and mind, which fueled her motivation even more. Rebel's workouts were a combination of strength training and cardio. Strength training was essential for building a strong foundation. It helped her build lean muscle mass, which not only improved her physique, but also her overall strength and endurance. This boosted her metabolism and helped her burn more calories even at rest. The benefits of strength training extended beyond the gym. Rebel incorporated exercises like squats, lunges and deadlifts into her routine. These compound movements were crucial for engaging multiple muscle groups. These exercises worked all the major muscle groups, ensuring a balanced and comprehensive workout. Cardio was another important component of Rebel's fitness regimen. It kept her heart healthy and her energy levels high. She enjoyed activities like hiking and running, which allowed her to connect with nature while staying fit. Cardio helped her burn calories and improve her cardiovascular health. The sense of accomplishment after a good cardio session was unmatched. Rebel didn't shy away from challenging herself. She embraced high-intensity interval training to push her limits. She pushed her limits and gradually increased the intensity of her workouts. This progressive overload was key to her continuous improvement. But she also listened to her body. Stretching and cool-down exercises were integral parts of her routine to prevent injuries. Rest and recovery were just as important as pushing herself. She understood that her body needed time to heal and grow stronger. Alongside her fitness regimen, Rebel revamped her diet. She knew that exercise alone wouldn't be enough to achieve her goals. She focused on nourishing her body with whole, nutrient-dense foods. This included a variety of fruits, vegetables, nuts and whole grains, which provided her with the essential nutrients needed for energy and overall health. This meant cutting out processed foods, sugary drinks and excessive unhealthy fats. By eliminating these, she reduced empty calories and harmful additives from her diet. Rebel prioritized a balanced intake of macronutrients. She ensured her meals had the right proportions of proteins, carbohydrates and healthy fats to support her active lifestyle. She aimed for around 1,500 calories per day. This careful monitoring helped her stay on track and avoid overeating. This calorie target was tailored to her individual needs and activity level. Her personal trainer helped her design a plan that was both effective and sustainable. Vegetables became the cornerstone of her meals. They were not only low in calories, but also packed with essential nutrients. She filled half her plate with colourful veggies like broccoli, spinach and bell peppers. These vegetables were rich in vitamins, minerals and fibre, which are crucial for maintaining good health. These provided essential vitamins, minerals and fibre. Cooking them in various ways kept her meals interesting and delicious. Lean protein was another dietary staple. It played a key role in muscle repair and growth. Rebel included sources like chicken, fish and tofu in her meals. These proteins were versatile and could be prepared in numerous tasty ways. Protein helped her feel full and satisfied. This was crucial in preventing overeating and maintaining her energy levels throughout the day. It also supported muscle growth and repair. By combining a well-balanced diet with her fitness routine, Rebel was able to achieve her health and fitness goals more effectively. Rebel's journey was as much about mental transformation as it was about physical change. She recognized the importance of a positive mindset. She focused on cultivating self-love and acceptance. Rebel practiced mindfulness and gratitude. She took time to appreciate her body and acknowledge her progress. This helped her stay motivated and positive throughout her journey. She didn't let setbacks derail her. Everyone faces challenges along the way. The key is to view them as opportunities for growth and learning. Rebel's story highlights the interconnectedness of our physical and mental health. When we take care of our minds, our bodies follow suit. Rebel's journey wasn't without its challenges. There were days when she felt unmotivated or tempted to revert to old habits, but she persevered. She developed coping mechanisms to stay on track. One of her strategies was setting realistic goals. She didn't try to do too much too soon. Instead, she focused on making small, sustainable changes. Another key was finding activities she genuinely enjoyed. This made it easier to stay consistent with her workouts. She didn't force herself to do exercises she hated. Rebel also relied on her support system. She surrounded herself with positive and encouraging people. They cheered her on and helped her stay accountable. Section 6. Finding support and inspiration. Rebel's support system played a crucial role in her success. She had a team of professionals guiding her. This included a personal trainer, a nutritionist, and a therapist. Her trainer provided expert guidance on exercise and helped her stay motivated. Her nutritionist helped her develop a sustainable eating plan. Her therapist provided emotional support and helped her address any underlying psychological barriers to weight loss. Beyond her professional team, Rebel also found support from her friends and family. They encouraged her to prioritize her health and celebrated her successes. Section 7. The Ripple Effect of Self-Care. Rebel's commitment to self-care had a ripple effect on other aspects of her life. As she became physically healthier, she also experienced a boost in her energy levels and overall well-being. She felt more confident and self-assured. This newfound confidence translated into her personal and professional life. Rebel's story reminds us that self-care is not selfish, it's an act of self-love. When we prioritize our well-being, we show up as our best selves in all areas of life. Section 8. Sustaining the Journey. Rebel's transformation wasn't just about reaching a goal weight, it was about making lasting lifestyle changes. She shifted her mindset from short-term dieting to long-term healthy habits. She continues to prioritize regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and mental well-being. She understands that maintaining her results requires ongoing effort. Rebel's story is an inspiration to us all. It teaches us that transformation is possible. It requires dedication, perseverance, and a belief in ourselves. Section 9. Your own transformation awaits. Rebel Wilson's journey is a powerful reminder that change is possible. We all have the power to transform our lives. It starts with a decision to prioritize our health and well-being. Take inspiration from Rebel's story. Embrace the power of movement, nourish your body with whole foods, and cultivate a positive mindset. Believe in yourself and your ability to achieve your goals. Remember, your journey is unique to you. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. Listen to your body, be patient with yourself, and celebrate every victory along the way.